is Pelornis voluptuous. Now they are called serpent eagle. That is because in the wild they usually have snakes and other small reptiles.
Hi, Egan.
Now as you can see, our trainers is wearing gloves. That is to protect them from their sharp talons and beaks. So guys, if nag-wonder mo anong walking ang si Freddy, that is because Freddy is still under training. So a few weeks from now, mag-fly na si Freddy diri together with Kingdom. So muskip na si Freddy diri, ara na siya mag-fly diha ang start. Alright, ready your cameras as Freddy will fly across this stage. So again, si Freddy is still under training. So kabantay mo, dugay siya mo fly. So guys, let's cheer for Freddy. Come on, Freddy!
Go Freddy! Go Freddy! Go Freddy!
And there go for Raptors, Kingdom and Freddy. So just a fun fact, both Kingdom and Freddy are rescued birds. So they were donated from the DENR last Ezekiel period. So pag-amo sa Ocean Park, amos na train and be nourished. So as you can see, most of them are birds, they train animals na sila. Now lastly for flying birds, please look to your left as we show you our homing pigeons. So mutoyo pa to sila, ari to sila muagi sa upper right. Ari to sila magawas diri guys. Three, two, and there we go, our homing pigeons. Now homing pigeons has an innate ability, meaning they'll always go back to his nest to mate. So kada sila, and there we go for our raptors and our homing pigeons.